ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, how are you all? Are you all doing good? Safe? Very good. Children, I welcome you all. 4th standard, 2nd language English class, lesson 8. Lesson name, art. The last class, we have learned a poem in that lesson. Isn't it children? Yes, we have divided this lesson into 3 parts. Last class, we have finished one part. Today, we are going to learn the second part of the art lesson. Today, we are going to learn one more new poem that is on the paint box. Are you all thrilled? Yes. Children, I hope you are all ready with your notepad, pen, pencil and textbook. Are you all ready with that? Children, in the last class also, we learned about the art. What is meant by art? We learned what is meant by art. Today also, let us recall that. Art is the conscious creation of something beautiful and meaningful using skill and imagination. The various branches of activities such as painting, music, literature and dance. In the last class also, we learned about art. Today, we are going to learn one more poem, that is the paint box. Good. Now, let us move to the poem part. Children, let us learn the poem, the paint box. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಪೇಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ರೆಡ್, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ, ಬ್ಲೂ, ಗ್ರೀನ್, white, black, correct. You all know these colors. There are some more colors. Let us learn the new names for the colors. Shall we move? See, cobalt. Cobalt means what? Yes, ultramarine. Yeah, this is nothing but blue, but it is very dark blue. We will say this cobalt and ultramarine. Cobalt is also blue, ultramarine is also blue, that is very dark blue. Few more colors. What is that? Amber. ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಆಂಬರ್ ಕಲರು? ಎಸ್, dark yellow mixed with brown. See children, are you enjoying the colors? Good. What is this ivory? ಆನೆ ದಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಅದೇ ಬಣ್ಣ. See there? Articles are in ivory color, emerald. See, this is nothing but dark green. Kadu hasiru, emerald. One more color is there, crimson. This is nothing but red, but it is dark red, blood red. I know you are all enjoying the colors, children. Yes. Let us move to the poem now. All of you open page number 117. But you have to close that. You all listen to me. After that, you can also join with me looking into your textbooks. Cobalt and amber and ultramarine, ivory black and emerald green. What shall I paint to give pleasure to you? Paint for me something utterly new. I have painted you tigers in crimson and white. The colors were good and you painted them right. I have painted the cock and a camel and painted them true. Now mix me a color that nobody knows and paint me a country where nobody goes and put in it people a little like you watching a unicorn drinking the dew. Who wrote this poem? E.V. Riu. Cobalt and amber and ultramarine, ivory black and emerald green. What shall I paint to give pleasure to you? Paint for me something utterly new. I have painted you tigers in crimson and white. The colors were good and you painted them right. I have painted the cock and a camel and painted them true. Now mix me a color that nobody knows and paint me a country where nobody goes and put in it people a little like you watching a unicorn drinking the dew. All of you open page number 117 now. Let us together recite the poem. The paint box. Cobalt and amber and ultramarine, ivory black and emerald green. What shall I paint to give pleasure to you? Paint for me something utterly new. I have painted you tigers in crimson and white. The colors were good and you painted them right. I have painted the cock and a camel and painted them true. Now mix me a color that nobody knows and paint me a country where nobody goes and put in it people a little like you watching a unicorn drinking the dew. Did you all enjoy the rhyme now? Now let us know the meaning of the poem, summary of this poem. See here, this paint box poem written by E.V. Riu is a poem which is in the form of a dialogue. Here there are two characters, two persons are talking each other. What did they talk? One asks the other, what color should be used for painting? One person is asking to another, what colors should be used for painting? The other person is replying, saying that the person should paint him something absolutely new. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬಾತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಬ್ಬಾತ ಕೇಳ್ದ, ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಅದರ್ that he has painted tigers, camel and cock not using their original colors. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. I have already painted tigers, camel and cock. ಆಗ other person is replying, saying he wants a mix of colors nobody knows and is entirely new. Totally new. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಮಾಡು, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He wants a painting of a country which nobody knows. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಮಾಡು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ನೋಬಡಿ ಗೋಸ್, ಯಾರು ಹೋಗದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಮಾಡು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಕಾರ್ನ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ us recall through some question answers. Shall we move? Are you all ready, children? Who wrote the poem The Paint Box? Very easy question, right? Who wrote the poem? Paint Box. Correct. You are right. E.V. Riu wrote the poem Paint Box. Paint Box ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು E.V. Riu. Children, please take down this. Yes, completed? Good. Let us move to the next question. What are the two characters discussing about? ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Yes, correct. they are discussing about what one should paint for the other. ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅದರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. Yes, my next question is, what colors were used to paint the tigers? Tigers na paint ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Yes, the colors used to paint the tigers were white and red. Come on, take down this. Good. Shall we move to the next one? What does the second person want? ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. He wants a painting of a country which nobody knows and where nobody goes. And in that painting, people like him watching a unicorn drinking dew. Children, copy down. You have a beautiful exercise given in your textbook. Shall we read that? Open page number 123. Yes. Read the table given below. Pictures of some dance forms, their names and the states from which they have originated are given in the table. Do the activities A, B and C with the help of this table. See there? Yes, first one is, lady is dancing, isn't it? What is the form of the dance? Yes, you are shouting, I know that. Bharatanatyam. Yes, good. That is Bharatanatyam. And it is originated from the state Tamil Nadu. Next one is, see there? Yes, holding two sticks in their hand and dancing for the beats. That is called Kolata. See there? Kolata. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅದು? ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಎಸ್, ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲಾಟ ಈಸ್ originated from Karnataka. Correct. Shall we move to the next one? See there? Yakshagana. Very nice. Yakshagana, it is also originated from Karnataka. So next one is Kathakali. These are all the different forms of dancing. We learned about Bharatanatyam, Kolata, Yakshagana, and fourth one is, yes, what is that? Kathakali. Kathakali. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೇರಳ. ಕೇರಳದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ನೃತ್ಯ ರೂಪಕ ಅದು ಕಥಕ್ಕಳಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್, see, persons holding drums and also they are dancing with the drum beats. What is that dance called? ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಕುಣಿತ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, we are all proud of Karnataka, isn't it? Yes, ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಕುಣಿತ. Next one is different style of dancing, that is Kathak. Kathakali is different, Kathak is different. See there? Their costumes are different, their style is also different. That has come from Uttar Pradesh. See children, ಯಾವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಎಸ್, The next one is very nice form of the dance, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಧಗಳು. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳೇನು, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಬಲ್ಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ರಾ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣನೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕುವಂಥ ರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಂಗ್ರಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ originated from Punjab. So next one is ಮಣಿಪುರಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ, ಮಣಿಪುರದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಮಣಿಪುರಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ, 9 ರೀತಿಯ ನೃತ್ಯ ವಿಧಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೌ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟ್. ಗುಡ್. ನೌ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸಿ ದೇರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Can you identify the following dance forms? Write them in the boxes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಪತ್ತೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೋಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೇನದು? ಕೋಲಾಟ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದು? ರೆಡ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ವಿಚ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್? ಹಾಂ, ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ. ಹಾಂ. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್. ಡ್ರಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋಲು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೂ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಡೊಳ್ಳು ಕುಣಿತ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲವರ್. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಗುಡ್. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬಿ. ಡು ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ನೃತ್ಯಗಳು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Write the names of the states related to the classical dance forms. Pictures and the names of the capital cities have been given as clues. They have given the pictures and the capital cities also. What you have to do? What should write there? Only you have to mention the states. First one is, capital city is Thiruvananthapuram. The state is Kerala. Next one is Hyderabad. Capital city is Hyderabad and the state is Andhra Pradesh. Perfect. You can take down these children. Shall we move to the next one? Capital city is Impal. You might have know the form of the dance. Just you feel the state. Perfect. Manipura. Next one is Chandigarh. The dance form, you are looking into the picture. Which state that is? Punjab. Correct. Take down this. Shall we move to the next one? This is from Chennai. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Correct. So next one is Lucknow. The capital city is Lucknow. You are seeing the dance form. And let me know the state. Uttar Pradesh. Correct. Children, copy down this. Yes. Now let's move to the interesting puzzle. They have given a puzzle here. Complete the word puzzle. Pictures will help you to do so. They have given the pictures also. It will help us to get the word. We have to complete the word. They have given some of the letters in that word. By seeing the picture, that is only the clue for us. We have to give the word. First one is, yes, the girl is singing. Let us fill the word singing. Yes has given there. We have to fill the other letters. What is the next word? I. Yes, I, N, G, I, N, G. Singing. Perfect. Singing ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಹಾಡೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಮೈಕ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಮಾಡೆಲಿಂಗ್. MODELL. They have given LL. Next one is ING. Modeling. Okay. Good. Let us move to the next one. See, in the left middle picture, that boy is doing something. What is he doing? He is painting. Correct. What is the spelling for the painting? PAINT. They have given ING. Painting. ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ? ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು. Yes. Next one is, see that girl? She is dancing. DAN. C is there. CING. Dancing. Yes. Children, one more word is there. That is PHOTOGRAPHY. What is that? Photography. That man is doing in front of that girl, right? That is photography. She is modeling and he is taking the photographs of that. That is called photography. So, by this we have completed this puzzle. Children, you can please take down this. Good. Now, see how interesting all this now? You are all enjoying? Very good. Yes, children. You are all enjoying the exercises? Yes. One more is interesting. This is for you. Pictures of some musical instruments are given in the column A. See there, in the column A, they have given musical instruments. Their names are given in column B. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ್ದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನದು? ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವ ನಾವು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್, isn't it? On TV shows. That is TABALA. What is that? Tabla. Yes. Next one is VIOLIN, violin. Third one is GUILIN, G-T-A-R, guitar. Correct. Fourth one is harmonium, H-A-R-M-O-N-I-U-M, harmonium. The last and final is ಏನದು? Yes, that is ಕೊಳಲು. ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಕೊಳಲ್ನ? Flute, F-L-U-T-E, flute. Correct, children. All of you, please take down this. Today we learned a new poem on the colors, paint box. And we learned many forms of dances and their names and where they are from. Means from which state they are originated. That also we learnt. And we have done many more exercises which I have given in the textbook. So, this is the last one. Write well. This is for your homework also. Read the following sentences. The guitar is on the wall. In on andre, that you have to learn. A man is playing the flute standing at the gate. At. The photographer is capturing a picture with his camera. WITH, with. Shraddha is going to participate in a singing competition. In. Mohan is a famous guitarist from India. FROM, from. Mother Teresa was honored for her social service. FOR, for. On, at, with, in, from, for. What are these? That you have to learn from your elders or from your teachers in your school. That is your homework. See, one more beautiful and interesting homework. Trace the following picture of the butterfly in a chart paper or drawing paper. Complete the picture and color it. Cut out the shape. Fold the picture. Now the card is ready. You have made the beautiful butterfly. Will you do that? I know that. Yes. I hope you have all enjoyed the class today. Let us meet in the next class. I am your teacher, Lakshmi K. Shastri. I am working as a assistant mistress at GHPS Chandrapur Circle, Bangalore South 1, Bangalore. Thank you, children.
अनुदिन